Today we will do multiplying decimals. So let's start. So firstly we should know the rules. Rule 1, multiply both numbers. Rule 2, the number of decimal places in the product is equal to the sum of the number of decimal places of each other. So let's start with few of examples. So we have example 12.15 multiply with 3.4. So 12.15, firstly we will arrange in this way and we have to multiply with 3.4. So we will start with multiplication. 4 times 5 is equal to 20. 2 carry over. 4 times 1, 1, 6. 4 times 2 is equal to 8 and 4 ones are 4. Now we will move forward with the second step. So here we will insert 0. 3 times 5, 15. 1 carry. 3 times 1, 1 and 1 carry, 4. 3 times 2, 6. 3 times 1, 3. Now we will add. So yes, now we will add. Now we will write in this way. We will add now 0. 6 plus 5, 11. 1 carry. 12 plus 1, 13. 1 carry, 10 and 1, 11. So of course we will write 1 here, 1 carry and 4. Now we will insert the decimal. So how we can put the decimal here? Now see, we will count the numbers after decimals. After decimal, see here 12.15, after decimal 2 numbers, and 1 and 5 after decimal there is 2 numbers, and in 3.4 after decimal there is 1 number. So total number will become 3. So in answer we will count the 3, then we will insert the decimal 1, 2 and 3, then insert the decimal. So answer will be 41.310. We can write 0 also, and if you want to leave you can leave. Now we are taking one more example. Here the multiplication is given. Yes, 0.002 multiply with 197.308. So we will write 197.308. Yes, and we will multiply with 0.02. So initially whenever we multiply, we will ignore the decimal, simple multiplication. Yes, 2 times 8 is equal to 16. 1 carry, so we will write 1 here. 2 times 3 is equal to 6. 14. Yes, next is 14. 1. 2 times 9, 18. 1. 19. 1 carry, 2 and 3. Yes. Now we have a next number, that is 0. So no need to do multiplication here. Now directly we will put the decimals. So we will count the decimal number first. Yes. Here there are the 3 numbers after decimal, and here are the 2 numbers after decimal. So total will be, yes, 5. So we will count 5, then we will put decimal. So answer will be 3.94616. Now we are taking one more example. Yes. So these are the practice questions. You can do yourself. how we can do? Yes, you can check 25.3 multiply with 9.002. So do simple multiplication first and then count the decimals, count the numbers after decimal and then put the decimals. So thank you students. In this way we will do multiplication in decimals.